Okay, here we go. Wait. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. Okay.
Alright. This is an improvised video that we just thought of.
Yeah.
About headbanging. We're going to be talking about different techniques, but we're waiting for the song to get to the faster part.
Yeah. But, there's basically, let me think, like, either 4 or 5 different types of headbanging that I know about, actually.
I think it's 4. I think it's 4.
Anyways, there's lots of different ways you can headbang. But the 4 most basic ones, there's the side to side, up and down, around the world, and then just plain mosh, aka the retarded kid. Anyways, we're gonna wait.
Retarded too.
I don't care.
No, I'm playing.
Anyways, anyways.
Does my jacket look good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, anyways, once this song gets to the best part, we'll do it.
Yeah, you're gonna pick that up later.
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, check this out. Everyone likes being a pyromaniac. Dude, you ate that fire. Oh! The way we can do it is like we can take turns, you side to side, I'll do up and down, you do around the world, I'll do mosh. Like I'll be like side to side, and then you do like around the world, up and down.
I want to do it around the world. I want to do that on my. I'll do side to side and around the world.
I want to do mosh. So like you'd be like, I'll do like side to side, you do like up and down around the world,
and then mosh. Alright.
Alright,
okay.
It's getting to the part.
Not yet.
Not yet. Be patient, young Jedi Padawan. Not yet. Yeah, I haven't introduced the thing. He's just having fun. Hold on. Okay.
Almost there.
Almost. A few more seconds.
I can play this part.
So can I. On drums, too.
Alright, here we go. Introduce it.
The side to side.
The up and down.
Around the world. Stuff.
Mosh. AKA the retard. And now for a combination of both. Here we go. Here's the thing.
Go.
Here we go.
Watch your guitar.
No, I'll just put it right there. Here we go.
Hold on. Wait for it to get pick speed back up.
Here we go. Here we go.
I will see you in the face.
You're dead. Okay.
My head hurts a little bit. Help me out.
You know what? I'm not. My head doesn't really actually hurt. That's how good of a rocker I am.
He's in a band.
Yeah. Okay. I got a fart, dude. Here we go. Wait.
Oh, you laughed when I did it. It was little anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, that was our video.
That concludes our video on headbanging.
Yeah, that was all improvised.
BTW, we didn't even plan any of that. I was just like, dude, let's make a video about headbanging. He was like, totally.
Yeah.
So, yeah. If we think of any more improvised videos, we'll, you know, Click, camera, click. I think we should make one when we get out of the shower tomorrow. I get out of the shower and do it with my towel. Know what I mean?
Yes, I do know what you mean.
I think I know what you're saying.
Okay.
You Kamwad Jizrak.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My eye quite hurts right now. Well, not hurts, but like itches.
I'm gonna turn off the camera now. Oh wait.